Hello, welcome to my channel. In this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to invest in high dividend monthly paying ETFs here on Moomoo. So you open up Moomoo. What I want you to do now is go to the bottom left, press on the markets icon. Once you're here at the top, I want you to press on ETFs in between options and crypto. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down. So where you're going to see index ETFs, heat map, etc., scroll down towards this high dividend and press on the arrow. So once you're here, you can actually sort this by dividend yield if you want, so you can go lowest to highest or highest to lowest. So for example, if you were just to select whatever one right here, we'll just go with whatever. If you go down to the right, slide this bar to the right, it says dividend frequency. And there's quarterly, which means that obviously every quarter it'll pay monthly. If you're looking for monthly paying ETFs, that's what you're looking for. If you want to sort this by monthly, just press on the frequency button right here. Now the monthly ones will show you guys at the top. So here you go. There's a bunch of different options right here. You can go ahead and select one of your choosing, type that into the search bar at the top right, type in the ticker symbol, and then proceed with the purchase that way. So this is how to identify and how to invest in high dividend monthly paying ETFs here on the Moomoo application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.